In today's video, I'm going to recreate one of my very first flower paintings. This is Erin with Snowberry Design Co., and on this channel I teach you how to paint watercolor flowers with a new video every week. I started painting flowers 6 years ago, and I thought it would be really fun to go back to one of my original paintings and then recreate it now that I've learned how to avoid some of the mistakes I made when I first painted this. So when I first painted this, I wasn't really paying attention to the basic shapes within the peony. Peonies have this ball shape when they're buds, and then the petals kind of cup that shape as it blooms. Now as I build the peony over here, I'm being mindful of each stroke I place. I want them to hug that imaginary center sphere, and then with my brush at an angle, I'm painting the bottom and side petals to give off the look of a fluffy peony. I'm using a size 16 round brush, and I've left the links in the description box below if you'd like to see all the supplies that I'm using. Next, I'm going to recreate this rose off to the side. I was painting a Juliet garden rose, which is also very rounded and often mistaken for a peony. I'm using the same kind of approach to paint this as I did with the peony, except for I'm filling in more of the center with some small curves to mimic the ruffled petals that are in the center of Juliet roses. Now I'm going to add in my leaves. In my first attempt, I didn't really give any leaf its own shape. I just kind of added a bunch of green paint along the bottom without being intentional about where to place each individual leaf. In the painting I'm recreating, I'm placing each individual leaf and making sure that they all kind of point back toward the center of my composition. Next, I'm dipping in a bit of color to the center of my roses to darken them up a bit, and also to the side of the peony where more of the shadow would be. I'm also dipping in a bit of dark green to my leaves for added contrast. Last tip, if you're just starting out with watercolor painting, check out my playlist called Perfect for Beginners to help you get started. I'll have that playlist linked down below so you can check it out. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching. Bye!